guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video, we shall be talking about the top 10 law schools in India. So starting with the first law school, which is on the top list, is going to be NLSIU Bangalore. Now, NLSIU Bangalore has one of the best placements in all the law schools that exist in the country. It has a very good alumni base and it offers really good opportunities to the students with respect to a holistic development in curricular activities, co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities as well. Now, one downside with respect to NLS Bangalore is that the academics portion is a little bit difficult. It has a lot of assignments, a lot of exams, and it becomes hectic for the students. Coming to the second best law school is going to be Nalsar, Hyderabad. Now, Nalsar, Hyderabad has a very huge campus. So the campus life is quite beautiful, but it is a little bit far away from the city. A lot of students compare between NLS Bangalore and Nalsar, Hyderabad, and sometimes they do pick Nalsar, Hyderabad over NLS Bangalore. The placements are really good in Nalsar. The administration has a little issue, but every law school administration has issues, so that is okay. Coming to the third law school in this category, which is going to be NUJS Kolkata. Now, the opportunities in NUJS Kolkata are really good. They also have a good alumni base. A lot of placements are done from NUJS Kolkata, but the campus is quite small. Even though the college is in the city, but campus life could be a little bit restricted because it is a small campus. Coming to the fourth law school, which is going to be NLU Delhi. So the biggest plus point of NLU Delhi is that it is in Delhi. So Delhi has a lot of firms, you can intern there, you can do your co-curricular activities, and it is going to be really good for your CV. Apart from that, NLU Delhi has always had good placements, and the moot court culture in NLU Delhi is also quite good. The fifth law school is going to be NLU Jodhpur. So the academics are a little hectic in NLU Jodhpur, but apart from that, sports, co-curricular activities, different kinds of fests are held in NLU Jodhpur, and therefore it is a very good college to study in. Placements wise as well, NLU Jodhpur has been doing quite well for the past good amount of years. So if you want to take admission in NLU Jodhpur, could be a great choice. Coming to the next college, which is going to be NLIU Bhopal. So I am from NLIU Bhopal. I have studied 5 years of my law school life in NLIU Bhopal. NLIU Bhopal is good with respect to its placements, moot court culture, and apart from that, hostel life, academics and everything else. Of course, the administration has certain issues in the college, as is with other colleges as well, as I told you. Recently, there have been certain controversies, but it is getting back on its feet and the placements are going good for now. So if you want to go for NLIU Bhopal, then definitely it is a great choice. Coming to the seventh law school, which is going to be GNLU Gandhinagar. So I have done my LLM from GNLU Gandhinagar, and GNLU Gandhinagar is also a great place to study law at. It has very good campus, and the college life is it has lesser restrictions as compared to other law schools. It has a night canteen of its own, and it has a great library. Placements are average, so if you want to consider GNLU Gujarat, it does have a good alumni base, so it could be a great choice. Now, coming to the eighth law school in this list, I have 3 law schools that could be considered at par as of now. So the first is GLC Mumbai, second is going to be Jindal Global Law School, and the third could be your tier 2 NLUs, for example NLU Odisha or NLU Patiala or HNLU for that matter. You could choose depending on your convenience out of all these law schools. Now, of course, GLC has less fees, but it is in Mumbai, so the cost of living is high because they do not provide a very good hostel facility. Apart from that, the academic life is not about classes, it is more about internship. So if you have that goal in mind, that you want to be a corporate lawyer and that is definitely your goal, GLC could be your pick. JGLS has a quite good campus, quite good placement also they are doing, but it is quite costly to study at JGLS. So of course you could pick your bet between GLC and JGLS according to your convenience. Coming to the tier 2 NLUs, again, if you really want the NLU tag, then you must go for the tier 2 NLUs other than GLC and JGLS. Next in the list is going to be SLS Pune. So again, SLS is also a great choice. The placements are good, and it also has a good alumni base. So if you want to go for SLS Pune, it could be your choice. Next in the list is going to be ILS Pune. Again, ILS Pune is a great choice. The exam that through which one gets into ILS Pune is MSCET. The exam is coming up right around the corner. If you want to get into ILS, then definitely go for the exam. Last, SLS Noida is also a great choice. If you want to study in Symbiosis but you haven't gotten into Pune, you can choose Noida. In fact, a lot of students these days say that SLS Pune and SLS Noida both are doing pretty well. Both are at par right now. So again, SLS Noida is also a great choice. So these are going to be the top 10 law schools in India. So if any of you are preparing for CLAT or MSCET or any other entrance examination for law, then you can study with us. So you will find different courses on 12minutes2clat.com website. Apart from this, we do have an app as well. You can find it on Play Store, App Store, and download it on your phone. If any of you wish to prepare with us, we have courses running for MSCET. For example, we have Unnati course in which the classes have recently started, and you can come and attend the classes from the comfort of your home. You will get sectional tests, mock tests as well, doubt tabs as well to take up your doubts. The classes are in the evening so that your classes of the school is not disturbed. If any of you like my teaching methods, you can use my code QTB for the classes. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in the next class. Hope this session was helpful. In case you have any doubt, you want to ask about a specific law school, you can mention it in the comment box and I shall take that up. Thank you so much. Take care and have a great day.